Okay, so hello everyone. In the last video, we have seen find all the divisor of a number. Okay, but in this video, we are going to learn how to find find all, or we can say find list of perfect number. Okay, so how to find a list of perfect number? Okay, so let's understand what's the logic of perfect number. So what we have to do, we have to, for example, user entered a number called 4. Okay, so we have to write all the number expect this numbers like 1 2 3. We don't need to write 4. Okay, now we will check 4 is divisible by 1, 4 is divisible by 2, and 4 is not divisible by 3. So what we will do, we will add the divisor. So 1 plus 2. Okay, now what is the result? Result of the divisor is 3. So this number and this number both are equivalent or not. If it is not equivalent, this is not a perfect number. Otherwise, it's a perfect number. For example, let's take 6. Okay, so write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't write 6. We will not include 6. Okay, now check the divisor. So 1 is a divisor of 6, means 1 can divide 6 completely, 2 can divide 6 completely, 3 can divide 6 completely. Okay, and this cannot divide 6 and this cannot divide 6. So those who are divisor of 6, just add them. 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, so what is the addition? The addition is 6. So the sum of divisor equivalent to the original number or not? If it is original equivalent to the original number, means that number is perfect number. So this logic we have to implement. Okay, so hope you are understanding. We have to execute the loop. Okay, up to less than that number. Okay, so let me write the code now. So first I will create one function. Okay, we will write logic later. So let's take a number from the user, integer, input, enter a number. Okay, so after that, just pass this number inside a function. Okay, num, and your function should receive one value n. Okay, now what we have to do, just write one for loop for I in range. Okay, and it should start with 1 and it should execute n minus 1, means less than n. Okay, so for example, 4 is n value, 4 is n value, and this is executing 1 2 3. Less than 4 it is executing. So n we will write here, means it will also execute less than n. Okay, so means if your value is what? Value is 6 and value is 6. So how much numbers it will generate? This for loop generate 1 2 3 4 5. It will not generate 6, right? Okay, after that, what we have to take? We have to add the divisor. So first we have to check what are the divisor. N modulus I equals to 0. If it is equals to 0, I is what? This number. Okay, so we have to add only those divisor who is divisible by n. Okay, who is dividing n completely? So we will add that number. So as equals to s plus I. Okay, what is s? S is nothing but 0. Okay, variable. Okay, once it is divisible divided, okay, once it is added, right, then we will return. Okay, after that we will come out the loop and we will return. Okay, don't return. Okay, all right, just return what? S. Okay, return s, and we will store here, we will catch here. Okay, result will store here. Okay, from the function is calling, this return will return the result here, and we will store inside this variable. Now what we have to do, we will check if res, means whatever the result came, is it is equivalent to the original number or not. See how we are checking like this. The divisor, the number is summation of divisor, means if the sum of divisor is equivalent to the original number, then we will say this is a perfect number. So what we will say, print uh, f string Okay, and we will say num is a perfect number. Okay, else what we will say, print f string num is not a perfect number, right? So let me just execute this code. Okay, so for example, I'm writing here 6. 6 is a perfect number. Okay, let's write another number like 4. So 4 is not a perfect number. But what is my quotient? My quotient is list of perfect number. List of perfect number we have to print. So let's generate list of numbers. So for generating list of number, what I will do, I will create one for loop for I in range. Okay, 1 to num plus 1 I will execute. Okay, so user entered 5 or 6. He want to see all the 6 number between 1 to 6. Okay, so this will execute how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, each time these values. Okay, each time these values, these I values, we have to send inside the function. Okay, so we are sending. Okay, and it is returning us result. Okay, so means this should be inside the for loop. Okay, let me delete this. Okay, so just we will write here print and f string. Just try to understand, it is not really hard. Okay, we will say I, and we will say here perfect number. Okay, when it is a perfect number, when if like age is equals to we have to call this function. Okay, fun for I. Okay, if age is nothing but age is what, summation of divisor. Summation of divisor is equivalent to the original number. Okay, so it is returning as here. It is returning as, so we don't need to write here as. We have to write here I, because I is a number and we are checking for I, na? So this as will come here after completing this function. This will replace by as value. Okay, as is containing what, divisor sum. So if the divisor sum equivalent to the I, then we will say this is the perfect number. So let's me write invalid syntax. Okay, colon is missing. So for example, I am writing 10. Okay, show me 1 to 10 perfect number between 1 to 10. So 6 is a perfect number. Okay, I want to check, I want to give more range. Like show me the perfect number between these. So these are the perfect number. Okay, let me write a big range. So these are the perfect number. Still it is calculating. Still it is calculating the perfect number. So it will take time, but it is displaying all the perfect number. Okay, so this is how we can find the list of perfect number. Hope you guys understood this program. If you understood this program, please implement this program. If you implemented this program, please copy the code and paste in the comment section. Okay, so it will be like motivation for me, like you guys are practicing from my video. So the comment is only option, I can check your participation. So everyone, please do paste your code in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.